Hi, I'm Dan Summers, Director of Collier County Bureau of Emergency Services and Emergency Management, and here we are going into another hurricane season. For our county employees, let's talk a little bit about your individual and family preparedness. First of all, we take it very seriously, and you as an essential employee are somebody we really count on during these difficult times to be able to serve our residents and guests of Collier County during these emergency situations. And so it's really super important for you to make that individual and family preparedness plan that really counts. Understand that we know that it's going to be hectic in Collier County as we get ready for pre-landfall, and then we've got landfall things to deal with that are involve your job most likely in some essential emergency role or some other emergency role assisting another department. And of course, likewise, we all have our family that we need to look after during this period. And you can overcome that with some individual and family planning well in advance. And that's taking a look and making sure that you understand that, hey, you might have to get your home ready a little bit earlier so that you can be part of an essential assignment. Making sure that all of your things are in place at home, whether it's your kit, removing your outside furniture, making sure that your family has a plan to either shelter in place or to evacuate. Do you have everything in your kit ready to go and not be down to the last minute? Because as we're looking at last minute activities, you may be part of helping keeping the county ready to respond. I really like to remind individuals that taking a look at your homeowner's insurance, your renter's insurance, your flood insurance, are all of those things in order? Have you read them? Do you understand what the capabilities and limitations are of that particular insurance policy for your situation? Have you paid attention and thought about where family is going to go based on your individual and family risk? In many cases, we hope you can shelter in place. You can certainly go to one of the public evacuation shelters if needed. The best bet is to be well inland with family and friends. The shelters have very basic limited services. In other words, we refer to them as simply a refuge. If you do go to a shelter, have you got 3 days worth of food supplies to take with you? Or are you taking bedding with you? Are you taking things for the children to keep them quietly entertained at a shelter situation if necessary? And finally, we have to also be very honest and say we don't know what COVID will be like for the fall. So again, understand that we may be very guarded in that shelter environment, making sure that we have adequate PPE and hand sanitizer and mask and those type of things if that happens this fall. So, you know, we have lots on our website at collierem.org, and we encourage you to go through that list of preparedness actions and activities and things that you may need. Take this time now to get ready, because you know we're going to call upon you most likely for some services and assistance pre-landfall, or whether you have an essential job in utilities or other divisions during the event, and certainly helping us work really hard to get Collier County put back to pre-disaster conditions. And look, we hate to go through one of these events, but I personally could not be more proud of Collier County employees. You know, we creatively and effectively work hard together to get our systems put back in place so that we can enjoy a beautiful place to live, work, and play. So again, work on that list, talk about your plans, discuss any of those pre-essential emergency duties or essential duties with your supervisor, and know that working together we'll all get through this.